জুলাই চার্টারের ভিত্তিতে নির্বাচন সহ পরবর্তী কর্মপন্থা ঠিক করবে অন্তর্বর্তী সরকার। সুইজারল্যান্ডের দাভোসে বিশ্ব অর্থনৈতিক ফোরামের প্রতিষ্ঠাতার সঙ্গে এক আলোচনায় একথা বলেছেন প্রধান উপদেষ্টা ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ ইউনূস। এ সময় তিনি বলেছেন, বিগত 15 বছরে বাংলাদেশে আয়োজিত সব ভোট ছিল ভুয়া।
The commission reports are coming, now that time has come. What we intend to do all these commission reports to put together and start talking to the public and also the political parties. Which are the things that you accept to be implemented? Because this is a recommendation. Unless you accept, it cannot be implemented. So we now have a consensus commission to build a consensus around each piece of our work. Then on the basis of agreement of all parties, all civil society organizations, where they all agree on certain things, we'll prepare what we call July Charter. July is the month when uprising took place. It's a July Charter that we agreed on this. So on that basis of July Charter, we start taking action, including the election. What kind of election? Because unless we know what kind of election people want, we can't go into election. So we are waiting to hold the election. Now that the election report is coming out. We have targeted end of this year, the election to take place, if we go in a short reform agenda, quick reform agenda. If people say, no, we need a longer list of agenda reform, then we need another 6 months.